Hi there guys, hope you're all doing well. I thought I would do a bit of a more in-depth video with you on the security gateway module fitted to 2018 model cars onwards. It's Fiat, Alfa Romeo and Abarth, and probably loads of other manufacturers out there as well. And what it is, it's got a security gateway module on it, meaning that you can only read the error codes on the system and view live data. You can't reset a fault code, you can't reset a service light without connecting to the FCA main computers and having an account and paying to reset fault codes. Now, this video I put up a few weeks ago, people going, oh no, I could just plug an aftermarket machine into it and it will do it straight away. Just to prove it to you, I've plugged in my £800 launch machine to it, and it prompts you to log in to the FCA servers to pay for a code to reset the car. So it means with this little bit of kit, you can plug it in to the wiring loom and bypass the security gateway module and reset fault codes, reset service lights. So it will save you a lot of money in the long run when it comes to diagnosing and clearing fault codes of cars. Now, this security gateway module has absolutely nothing to do with stealing cars. They are stolen via other methods. So as far as I know, this has nothing to do with stealing a car. So me telling you this isn't going to enable thousands of people to steal cars. So I've changed the faulty part in question. Let's go around the other side and plug it into the security gateway module and see if the fault code will clear. Plugged it into this side and it's still saying no codes from the last time I plugged it in. Let's just cancel that, go back into it and connect. We're still showing code free. So you saw me try and clear the fault code via the ODB port. It won't do it. The actual launch software asks you for your login for the FCA servers, and you just cannot do it without having one of these codes. So proven without a doubt that you need to plug in this bypass module and you can do the code. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you out and saves you some money. I've not been paid to sell these, but I will put the link in the description below showing people where I bought mine from. So thanks for watching. Now please give it a like, give it a comment, because I am hopefully going to save you a fair old chunk of money than going to a dealer. So thank you. See you in the next video.